Hi guys, welcome back to Safari, and today I am here showing you my Fidget collection. Okay, so these are my new monkey needles, so they're huge and much. That was a pink monkey needle and you could barely see it. It was going as fast as my finger, basically. Watch. See it? This monkey needle is big compared to my old monkey needles. So my monkey needle collection is huge. I'm showing you the bottom of the drawer mail. Organized and going. This is the container I got them in. So if you want to get some monkey needles, I think these are like $3 at the Walmart. I do not have all my fidgets here actually. I actually have my monkey noodles in this. What? Yeah, I have a lot of monkey noodles. I have 2 horse poppets I got from the dollar store. I got some mochis. And this whole container full of mochis. Come in. Come in. Come in. Come in. Who is it? Come in. I need to go help my sister real quick. I think I'm gonna be coming. She's coming in. Oh yeah, I'm doing a fidget video, so you're in here. Oh, so you're not staying? I have a purple one and a light green one. Nice. Lucky Track, Snake, Puzzle Bomb, Load, and football. Bye. Pea Papa. Puzzle Cubes. Rubik's Cubes. This maze thing. Finger roller things, I think. Fidget spinners. A chicken. And then up here I got spike balls. Caterpillar things. Kind of like monkey noodles. Ooh, the snake I found at the dollar store. This is really cool. This is in the back. Yeah. I am gonna have to do another fidget video, so you see another fidget video in like 2 or 3 days. It means I found Mary fidgets and I want to. I know where they are, I just can't go out of my room right now. I got balloonies. Balloonies. Bouncy balls, squishies, speck things, these things, spiky balls. Now I'm getting out my big monkey noodles. And bye, that's it for my fidget collection. I have way more, and I'll be glad to show you later. Bye! I have a mini poppet, by the way. And a color changing needle and a needle, so.